Hello students, today we will do the revision of chapter volume and surface area of solids. In this, today we will revise volume. The volume means the capacity. If suppose this is a washing machine and whatever is the capacity of this machine, that is its volume, and the unit of volume is cube. You will write in this way, cube. Now, in this exercise, we will solve the volume of cuboid and cube. In cuboid, length, breadth and height, all the three are different. So, the area will be length into breadth. But whenever we will fill anything, we will take the height. So, we will multiply by height also. So, the formula is length into breadth into height, cubic unit. Volume of cube. In cube, all the three sides are same. In cube, this and this, all the three sides are same. So, its formula is side into side into side, or you can say L cube or side cube. In this formula of cuboid, volume is length into breadth into height. You can use in this way also. Suppose length, volume upon breadth into height. Breadth, volume upon length into height. Or height, volume upon length into breadth. Volume of cube is side cube. But whenever you have to calculate side, one side or edge of cube, you will take the cube root of volume. Now, come to the question. Find the volume of cuboid measuring 14 by 10 by 8. Formula is length into breadth into height. 14 into 10 into 8 multiplied. 1120 centimeter cube is your answer. Next, find the volume of cube with the given side 6. Volume of cube is side cube, 6 cube. Cube of 6 is 216 centimeter cube. Next, example third. What will happen to volume of a cube if its each edge is to be doubled, halved? Suppose the unit of edge is x. Now length is double. Volume formula is side cube. So in place of side we will write 2x cube. 2 cube of 2 is 2 to the 4 to the 8. Cube of x is x cube. So 8x cube. So the number of time the volume is increased. Original, or you can write in this way also. Original volume is x cube. But now volume is 8 into x cube. So it will increase 8 times. When it is half, it means x upon 2. X upon 2 cube, x cube upon 8. Original volume is x cube. You can write in this way 1 upon 8 into x cube. So, now volume will be decreased. Volume will be decreased by 1 upon 8 times. And the third part, triple. When length is 3x, 3x cube, 27x cube. Original is x cube only. So, it means it will increase 27 times. Example 4. Two cubes, each of side 6 are joined into and find the volume of the resulting cuboid. So, whenever you will join 3 cuboids, it means 1, 2, 3. But whenever we will join, the length, only the length will be changed, but the height and breadth and height will be same. So, side of cube is 6. V is the volume of the resulting cuboid of 2 cubes. Then you can write as 6 cube plus 6 cube. 216 plus 216, that is 432 centimeter cube. Or student, you can do in this way also. Volume is, there are 2 cubes. So length will be, length is 6 plus 6 is equal to 12 centimeter. So length 12, breadth 6, height 6. Whenever you will multiply this, 432 centimeter. By the formula length into breadth into height. You can solve this question in this way also. Example 5. A beam 9 meter long, 50 centimeter wide, 20 centimeter deep is made of wood which weighs 30 kg per meter cube. Find the weight. Length is in meter. So either convert meter into centimeter or centimeter into meter. So length 9, breadth 1 upon 2 meter, height 1 upon 5 divided by 100. So volume of the beam, length into breadth into height 9 upon 10 meter cube. So weight of the beam is 30 kg per meter cube. It means cost of 1 meter cube is 30 kg. and weight of the 1 meter cube is 30 kg. So weight of the beam will be multiplied by volume, 9 upon 10 into 30, 0, 0 cancel out, 9 3s are 27 kg is your answer. 6. A carpenter makes a letterbox which has a volume this. The base has an area of 670. What is the height? Area means it is given length into breadth. Area is length into breadth. It means length into breadth is given as 670. Formula is height is equal to volume upon length into breadth. So in place of length into breadth, write 670 divided 20 centimeter answer. And the last example, find the volume of wood required for making a closed box with external measurement 14 by 9.5 by 6 and wood is 7 mm thick. See, whenever you will take, this will be the thickness. Suppose this will be the thickness. The outer dimensions are given. So inner dimension will be subtract this thickness. So internal length 14 minus 15 mm because the thickness is 7 mm thick. So 7 millimeter from this side, 7 millimeter from this side. So 7.5 plus 7.5 is 15 millimeter. So subtract 15 millimeter from length, breadth, height. You will get internal length, breadth and height. So now you will calculate external volume of box with the formula length into breadth into height. Put all the values 798. Calculate internal volume of the box. Put all the values, calculate. This is 450. So volume of wood will be, this is a formula, external volume minus internal volume. 798 minus 450, 348 centimeter cube answer. So student, revise this exercise. Okay student, bye-bye.